Hello, boys and girls. It is time for writing. For writing today, you will be writing your final draft. Everyone should have this slide filled out. You should have everything mapped out, and you should have edited and revised your writing and added at least 3 new details. So today you are going to put all of this onto the last slide. As you can see on mine, I highlighted where my opening sentence is, where my transition words are, where my detail number 1 is, where detail number 2 is, where detail number 3 is, and where my conclusion is. After you guys have all written it on this slide, you will be able to turn in your assignment. Boys and girls, make sure to look back on your work and make sure you have a capital letter and a punctuation mark. Make sure you have your transition words and a comma after your transition word. Make sure you have all 3 details. Make sure you have a closing sentence at the end. You guys can highlight your opening, your transition words, detail 1, detail 2, and your conclusion so that you guys can see so that when I am grading your work, I can see where everything is and that you have everything. So today you will be writing your final draft and then you will be turning it in. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to read your writing.